Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of iNfinix, a brand that continues to make a formidable impact in the consumer electronics market. If you're a proud owner of the iNfinix Smart 9, we have something incredibly useful for you, the iNfinix Smart 9 LCD replacement. Whether you've encountered a minor mishap or faced a major fall, we'll discuss why this component is a must-have for your device. Let's face it, the iNfinix Smart 9 is a fantastic smartphone, known for its sleek design, impressive performance, and user-friendly interface. With its vibrant display, smooth multitasking capability, and great battery life, it's hard not to love this device. But as with any piece of technology, the iNfinix Smart 9 isn't immune to life's little accidents. If you've ever dropped your phone and been greeted with a cracked screen, you know just how frustrating and stressful that experience can be. Suddenly, what was once an amazing user experience turns into a series of navigation woes as you try to work around that unfortunate crack. That's where the iNfinix Smart 9 LCD replacement comes to the rescue. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of having a fully functional display. The LCD screen is not just the surface of your phone, it's the gateway to everything you do on your device. From reading messages and emails to enjoying your favorite videos and games, the display is crucial for a seamless experience. Now, we know what you might be thinking. A replacement sounds like a daunting task, but fear not. Replacing the LCD on the iNfinix Smart 9 can be straightforward, especially with the right tools and guidance. There are numerous online tutorials and videos that can give you step-by-step instructions. It's always advisable to use original or OEM parts for your replacement, ensuring that the new LCD maintains the same quality and performance as the original. For those who might not be confident in their DIY skills, there are plenty of local repair shops that specialize in smartphone repairs. Remember, choosing a trustworthy technician who understands your specific model will ensure that your device is in good hands. Also, most repair shops will offer some form of warranty on their work, giving you extra peace of mind. So, if you've been living with that cracked screen for far too long, investing in an iNfinix Smart 9 LCD replacement could be a game changer. Not only will it revamp your device's appearance, but it will also restore its functionality, helping you enjoy all the features that made you purchase the smartphone in the first place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content on all things tech. And if you've experienced a screen replacement yourself, drop a comment below and share your experience with the iNfinix Smart 9. Until next time, happy teching.